The tractor, an indispensable companion for farmers, is a powerful machine designed to transform hard soil into soft, fertile furrows, ready for the planting season. To understand it better, let's explore the detailed structure and amazing benefits of the tractor. Structure of the tractor. The tractor has a rather complex structure, consisting of many components that work together harmoniously, much like a country orchestra. The main components include engine. The heart of the tractor lies in its engine, typically a powerful and durable diesel engine. This engine provides the necessary power for the machine to operate, from pulling the plow blades to moving across rough terrain. Engine power can range from a few dozen to several hundred horsepower, depending on the size of the tractor. Chassis. The sturdy steel frame acts as the skeleton of the tractor, holding all the components in place and absorbing force while working in the fields. The chassis is designed to resist vibrations and endure harsh weather conditions. Wheels or tracks. Tractors usually have large wheels with deep treads for better traction, especially on muddy or sloped terrain. Some modern tractors use tracks, similar to tanks, to enhance stability when working on soft or swampy land. Plow blade. This is the tractor's secret weapon, usually attached to the rear or underside of the machine. Made of hardened steel, the plow blade has a curved or flat shape, allowing it to turn over soil, break up compacted ground, and aerate the field. Some tractors can be equipped with multiple blades to increase efficiency. Transmission system. This system includes the gearbox, clutch, and drive shaft, transferring power from the engine to the wheels and plow blade. The driver can adjust speed and traction depending on the type of soil. Cab. In modern tractors, the cab is designed for comfort, featuring a seat, steering wheel, control panel, and even air conditioning. This is where the farmer commands the machine, ensuring both comfort and efficiency. Hydraulic system. This system is used to lift, lower, or adjust the angle of the plow blade, making the tractor more flexible when working on different types of terrain. Fuel tank and cooling system. A large fuel tank ensures that the tractor can operate continuously for long hours, while the cooling system, using air or water, prevents the engine from overheating during heavy-duty tasks. The tractor is not just a machine, it is a symbol of progress in agriculture. With its sturdy and intelligent design and its miraculous benefits, it has transformed barren fields into fertile lands. Watching a tractor in action, one cannot help but admire the brilliance of human ingenuity in creating such a powerful yet loyal warrior. The tractor, the mighty iron horse of the fields. The tractor, the majestic iron horse of the fields, is one of the greatest inventions that makes the earth tremble every time its wheels roll forward. Look at it, massive and rugged, with a sharp plow nose that seems to challenge the land. No soil is too tough for me. I'll tear it all up. Its body is covered in a striking red or deep green paint, looking both cool and a bit flashy, making you wonder, does it enjoy plowing fields or just showing off like a superstar? When the tractor starts, its roaring engine sounds like a grand countryside symphony, drowning out even the morning rooster's crow. It doesn't glide smoothly like a bicycle. Instead, it trudges forward powerfully, dragging the plow behind, ripping the soil apart in giant chunks. Watching it, I can't help but wonder, does the soil feel pain, or does it secretly enjoy this deep massage? The funniest moment is when it encounters a giant rock. The tractor stutters for a second, almost embarrassed, as if saying, "Oh, sorry, thought you were soft soil." Riding on a tractor is truly an epic experience. The farmer in the driver's seat looks as serious as a pilot flying a Boeing, while I, sitting in the back, bounce up and down, half thrilled, half terrified, thinking, does this seat eject like a fighter jet in an emergency? But one thing's for sure, the tractor works insanely fast. In just a few hours, the entire field is freshly groomed, ready for planting. Watching it in action, I just want to shout, "Oh, tractor, you're not just plowing the land, you've plowed straight into my heart." Wrapping up, and thank you. We've just taken an exciting look at combine harvesters, the true powerhouses of modern farming. With advancing technology, agriculture is becoming faster, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever. Thank you for watching Farm Machinery Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and share to spread the word about the incredible world of farm machinery. And most importantly, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.